Yes, I would like to welcome the students of accountancy of class 12th. Very good morning to all of you. I am Abdul Qayyum Quraishi, lecturer commerce. Today my topic is retirement of a partner. We are going to solve question number 3 of this chapter. The question is A, B, C, D are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1:1:1:1. B and D retire from the firm. Calculate the new ratio of A and C. Here we have 4 partners A, B, C and D. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 1:1:1:1. That means they are sharing their profits in equal ratio. Here I will explain this thing, the profit sharing ratio of 4 partners with the help of an example. Suppose we have a piece of cake here and we divide this piece of cake into 4 equal pieces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 equal pieces of the cake and we divide it into 4. We share it among the 4 partners, that is A, B, C and D. First part is given to A, second to B, third to C, fourth to D. These are 4 equal pieces of this cake. We share this cake into among 4 partners in the equal ratio, that is 1:1:1:1. The cake sharing ratio, we share the cake in the equal ratio among 4 partners. This means this A is equal to 1 piece out of these 4 pieces, that is 1/4. B equal to 1/4, 1 out of 4. C equal to 1/4 and D equal to 1/4. We have divided this cake into 4 equal pieces and shared among 4 partners in the equal ratio, that is 1:1:1:1. So with the help of this example, we can solve this question. Here B and D retires. Dear students, you know now our old ratio is A is to B is to C is to D, that is 1:1:1:1. B and D retires from the firm. B and D retires. But B's and D's share is equal to. This is B's share and this is D's share. B's share is 1/4 plus D's share is 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4. This is equal to, taking 4 as LCM, 1 plus 1, that is 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. B's and D's share is equal to 1/2. 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 1 plus 1/4, which is equal to 2/4, equal to 1/2. This 1/2, B's and D's share, this 1/2, this will be taken by A and C, who are the existing partners now after the retirement of B and D. This 1 by 2, it will be taken up or taken by A and C, the existing partners of the firm, in the ratio 1:1 as per the question. In 1:1, that is A is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 1 plus 1, and B is also equal to 1 by 2. They are taking up the share of B and D in the equal ratio, that is 1 by 2 is given to A and 1 by 2 to B. Now, our question is to calculate the new ratio. Before calculating new ratio, we are supposed to know gain of the existing partners, that is A and C. A's gain and B's gain. A's gain and C's gain, C's gain. These are the two existing partners. A's gain is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. A is taking share from B and D after retirement, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is B's, their share, 1 by 2. B's and D's share 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. C's gain again the same, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. This is A's gain 1 by 4 and C's gain 1 by 4. Now we can easily calculate new ratio or new profit sharing ratio of A and C, the existing partners, that is old ratio plus gain or gaining ratio. Gaining ratio. Old ratio plus gaining ratio, or we can simply say old plus gain. First we will calculate A's new ratio. That is A's old ratio, which is equal to 1 by 4 here, plus A's gain, that is also equal to 1 by 4 here. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is A's new ratio, and C's new ratio, this is equal to C's old ratio, that is 1 by 4, plus C's gain, that is also equal to 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4, equal to 2 by 4, equal to 1 by 2. New ratio, new profit sharing ratio equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. It implies that new profit sharing ratio of A and C is equal to A is to C, that's equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 1. 1 is to 1. 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2 equal to 1 is to 1. This is our requirement. Dear students, I hope you would have understood this question very clearly. We will meet again soon and solve another question. Wishing you a very nice day. Thank you.